A dead fiber source stops production code. But don't worry. This is part 1 of our 3-part Titan laser source replacement series. I'm Laurent from Thunderlaser. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we replace the fiber source. And coming up, we will tackle the RF CO2 source and finally, the crucial beam alignment. Let's get to work on the part 1. You only need a few things. A set of hex keys, a Phillips screwdriver, double-side tape, and black alignment paper. And grab your phone. You're going to need it for reference photos. First rule of the workshop, kill the power. Unplug the machine completely. Then, remove the side access door to reveal the heart of the laser. Before you unplug anything, take a picture of the power cable wiring. You want zero guessing when plugging the new unit in. Once documented, disconnect the signal cable and the power cable. Let's clear the path. 4 screws for the shutter cover, gone. 6 screws for the laser head, starting by the bottom one. That's done. Now we move carefully the laser head out. Now let's remove the laser source itself. 6 screws for the holder. Lift the whole unit out carefully and remove the 4 screws fixing the holder to the laser unit. Drop the new source in and reverse the process. But stop! Look at this yellow fiber cable. This is the optic nerve. Keep it circular with a diameter of at least 15 centimeters. Never ever bend it as a sharp angle, or you will kill the source immediately. Hardware is done. Let's talk to the brain. Power up. On the touch panel, go to Menu, then Alignment. A crucial step. Switch the source to Laser 2. Set the power to 30, pulse to 100, and ensure only the pulse time checkbox is ticked. Open the right cover and hit the maintenance button to bypass the door safely. Keep your glasses on. Stick a piece of black tape over the shutter opening. Now, fire by pressing this button on the touch panel. Perfect! A clean mark at the center of the black tape means the beam is passing through. Now it's time to reinstall your shutter cover. Check the beam alignment, and if it's good, you're ready to engrave. But what if the beam isn't aligned? No worries. We're covering that exact fix in our next video. That wraps up the part 1. That is how you restore industrial power to your Titan machine. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the part 2 when we tackle the CO2 source and the part 3 when we perfect the alignment. See you there, guys!